Alright then, just taking a quick look at Bitcoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Bitcoin here very much just looking like it is trying to retrace again. We've obviously had a bit of a bearish opener for this week on Monday. Usually when Bitcoin opens up bearish on Monday, we do end up having a bearish week. Really not that much has happened this week apart from the drop on Monday, consolidation here. We did sweep the liquidity at the low, came back up, we tested this fair value gap here as you can see. Got a pretty stark rejection from this last night. Come back down to the low here. This is just telling me that we're probably, judging by this reaction here, we're probably going to come down a bit lower this week. I would say we've got some decent liquidity to the left as well, as you can see. There's a lot of liquidity here that could get swept and ran. Got this trend line liquidity here that we've kind of, you can see we kind of tried to bounce at this here. Swept through it, and you could probably see, I could see this continuing back down towards this, maybe even back down to this 107k level, to be honest. Lots and lots of stop losses down here, I think, that could get ran. Overall, Bitcoin has been bearish this week, and you could see this continuing unless we see a really good reaction back up towards this fair value gap over the next few days. Bitcoin today, in my opinion, looking pretty bearish, and I could easily see this continuing down again. At least sweeping out some of this liquidity and all these stop losses, as I said. Overall, Bitcoin on the macro looking fantastically bullish though. You can see here just basically continue its indomitable march up continuously to new all-time highs every few months. Currently at 112k. Can you imagine a few years ago Bitcoin being 10x in price pretty much from where it was? We got down to, where did we get down to? 15k for Bitcoin pretty much. And then we just started our absolutely insane march to the upside for Bitcoin, looking really, really strong, as you can imagine. A lot of people have done extremely well averaging into Bitcoin over the past 4 or 5 years. I've personally been doing it, and it's been going very well indeed. Bitcoin on the macro looking fantastically good. The weekly time frame obviously really, really good as well. Dogecoin here, I'm not entirely sure. Sorry, Bitcoin. I don't want to say Dogecoin there. Bitcoin here really looking like we've kind of just ran through we could just come down and run back into this area, I think, before bouncing potentially. I did say that Bitcoin, when we were coming down here, I could easily see this coming down towards this 100k area. And if we do continue here, especially with the traditional markets being bearish as well, I think we could see Bitcoin retrace some more. Right now, I'm a bit unsure which way Bitcoin's going to go in the short term, to be honest. But just judging by this reaction here from this fair value gap, you can see we've come down here. And we're just getting really, really bad bearish reactions from all these gaps. You can see one here as well. I could easily see this continuing down, to be honest, for the rest of the week. Probably coming back down towards that 107k area, unless we can see that we're going to be having a nice bounce from this area soon. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates, and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.